Our top 5. Best Sublimation Ink. Number product. Printers Jack Sublimation Ink. Choosing a sublimation ink can be scary since you're probably going to get lots of them for your new business. However, this sublimation ink has everything you will need to take off your business. With this sublimation ink, you can express yourself as much as you want. Christmas smug, Halloween t-shirts, anime phone cases, you name it. You simply need to put your sublimation ink in your printer and then choose the mirror printing setting. After that, set the temperature for a specific amount of time. Now you need to apply pressure and enjoy how you turned your digitally printed image into a permanent image. If you're worried about your ink fading into nothingness after you wash it, then you don't have to. This ink is fade resistant, and it's also quite easy to install and refill. Number product. Zinc Jet Sublimation Ink Refill. This sublimation ink is compatible with a lot of printers. Sometimes storing several sublimation inks can be tedious and time-consuming. You also have to keep in mind that they could easily leak if they are not stored properly. You won't have that problem with this one. On the other hand, this sublimation ink has proper sealing, which is neither easy to leak nor easy to dry. So, don't worry about it leaking overnight and making you lose your cool as well as hundreds of dollars. As a shop owner, you need a lot of different products to get more customers from various niches. This ink can be used for many applications: t-shirts, pillows, mug cups, shoes, cloth printing, and so on. Moreover, the ink has a lot of vibrant colors that are nice to look at. It also has a print effect contrast effect, which is pretty cool to have. Especially if you want to get a lot of eyes on your products, it won't let you down. Number product. Seogol Sublimation Ink for Printer. This sublimation ink outperforms most sublimation inks. It has beautiful and vibrant colors, as well as anti-UV. With the right mindset and spirit, you can build just about anything. You can finally print your own designs on your t-shirts, mugs, pillows, phone cases, and so on. What if your newly acquired sublimation ink fades away right after washing it? This is a frightening thought to have. Imagine all that money you'd be losing. But with this sublimation ink, you can sleep well at night, knowing it won't fade into nothingness just as easy. Vibrant colors stand out from everything. This is precisely why sublimation is so popular. Everyone loves to have something printed on the t-shirts that represent them and pleasant is to look at. So, with this sublimation ink, you get friendly and beautiful colors. Number product. TBTeek Sublimation Ink for Printer. This a high-quality sublimation ink for those who want the best of the best. You also get a free ICC profile, which is always refreshing to get. This also makes it very good ink for sublimation heat press. It's amazing just what you can do with a printer and some sublimation ink. You can build your very own customized mugs, t-shirts, phone cases, and so on. You can even sell your products and make a living off of it. Additionally, the ink has been heavily tested several times before being put on sale. It is safe and easy to use. So, it's okay to assume that it won't be damaging your printer. Number product. AOPANE Anti-UV Sublimation Ink. The AOPANE Anti-UV is the perfect sublimation ink for anybody who wants to make a gift for someone special. You can make just about anything with this sublimation ink if you put your mind to it. Making your own personalized mug or phone case is not difficult at all. You simply need to choose an image, get some sublimation ink, and then enjoy your very own custom phone case. If you want to wear a customized t-shirt, You would want it to look as cool as possible. This sublimation ink provides smooth and vivid colors on any product. Thanks for watching this video.